We have all tried voice typing, but it never quite works. In 2026, Willow voice changes it all. It is accurate enough to replace your keyboard. So let me show you how you can install it and use it step by step. All you have to do is install the application, for which you have to head to willowvoice.com and click on this download button right here. And the best part, it's free to use. So once you click on this download button, it will install the installer for the application, and you have to follow the setup guides, and you'll end up here. Now, what you have to do is either use your email or your Google account to sign in. I used my Google account, and once you successfully log in, only thing that's left to do is open the Willow Voice application again by clicking on this button right here. Okay, now you have to answer a few questions so that Willow can decide your writing style. All you have to do is choose which of these sounds the most like you, whether you are formal, excited, or casual while you write your work messages. So for work messages, I'm formal. Next question is for email, which is more casual, and for casual messages it's extremely casual. After this, you can choose your basic need for using Willow. So mine is either prompting AI or writing emails. So I'm going to choose writing emails. And now we have a common question like, where did we hear about it? So I heard it about on YouTube. I would recommend you choose the privacy mode as well, because you can be using it for your personal task as well as your organization's task. So you wouldn't want that data to be collected, right? So click on next and then allow the microphone access. Now this is the real deal. It is asking whether or not the microphone is picking up my voice, which it is by looking at this graph right here. If it's green, that means that the microphone is capturing my voice. So I'm going to select the yes option and next. Now this is hands down the most important thing, which is to decide what hotkey to use to trigger Willow. Now the default hotkey is right control, but in my laptop right now I don't have right control. So I'm going to change that by clicking on this no, and editing this by clicking on this button right here. And now I can click any key and it will use it as a hotkey. So I'm using this one right here, and that's it. My hotkey is now set. You can set hotkey for these options as well. And now to test it out, you can simply click on the hotkey, and if the button turns purple, that means it's working. Now it will give you a couple of trial template which you can try out. So watch this. Hi John, I'm looking forward to working with you. Are you available on Friday at 3 p.m.? Best, Jacob. Okay, so check this out. It already gave me this, which is impressive. And for the next one, I have this grocery list. So let me try to dictate that as well. I want to grab 3 things from the store. First is milk for the cake. Second, eggs for breakfast, and third, wheat bread. So here we go. You can see that it gave me a list. Now, if you click next, this is your starting screen, and you can click on Start Now button, which takes you directly to your application. Now, this is the dashboard which shows you the history of your transcripts, dictated words, and minutes it saved basically by speaking instead of typing. Now to actually test out its capability, I'm going to draft a mail using just Willow. So here I have my Gmail Compose opened, and let me quickly dictate my subject right here. Quick inquiry about pulse. For my body, it's kind of a long as compared to my subject, so I'm going to use the hands-free mode, for which I've already set my hotkey. If you haven't, you can. So my hotkey is shift and right key. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so hello team. I recently came across Pulse and was impressed by overall brand direction and product concept. The zero gravity energy positioning and visual identity stood out clearly in a very crowded space. I wanted to reach out to learn more about the product lineup, especially around the flavor profiles and availability. I'm also curious whether there are any upcoming launches or collaboration planned in the near future. Looking forward to hearing more. Thanks for your time. Best regards, Etsy. Now, To stop that recording, I had to use the hotkey again and it stopped. And check this out. This whole content is exactly like I dictated. Also, I did not expect it to leave line spaces when I took long pauses. So honestly, I'm quite impressed. Okay, so back in our Willow, there's another feature which is the dictionary. Here you'll find the words that are sort of new to Willow. Now you can go ahead even add your own words which you might use in your vocabulary, but maybe those are not commonly known words. Maybe they are names or slangs. Like if I say my name, for example, Zaira. So it gives me something like this, but it is supposed to be ZYRA. So I'm going to add a new term with a replacement. So every time it with Zaira instead. And I'll add this. Now let's test it out again in this same text box, Zaira. And here we go. We have our Zaira instead of ZIRA. Also, if you want to go hands-free, you can simply click on your recording hotkey twice and that would make it work if you don't want to set another shortcut and remember that. So that's convenient. Other than that, you can even simply add in new terms. Simply type it up here and click on this add button. Now, Willow isn't limited to just typing emails. It can also write long articles. All you have to do is dictate it. And the best part is it supports over 50 different languages. So I'm going to try and speak in some different language right in our Willow. Let's try it out over here is itself. No hablo mucho español. Okay, it got it. That's perfect. So there we go. We even have French. My point being that you can use any of the language to dictate and it will still work the same. Other than this, we have our settings where you can enable the Willow assistant and it will wake when you say hey Willow. Next, you can change your hotkeys and set your preferred languages. Other than that, you have the offline mode for which you'll need to upgrade to Pro. So you can dictate using Willow even without internet, which is awesome. Now, if you somehow want to change your style matching, click on this button right here and you can select the style of your conversation again, which you already did in your setup, and you can even simply disable this altogether if you want. So that was basically how you can use Willow Voice to dictate anything anywhere right on your desktop. So stop wasting your time typing long articles, descriptive prompt and emails. Start using Willow instead and subscribe for more such videos.